my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unbagging a little package that I received in the mail from Embelashes. So if you want to know what I got in this little package, what they sent out to me and what it's all about, then just go ahead and keep watching. We are just gonna go ahead and jump right in. As usual, I like to do my first impressions with you guys. I like to open up my stuff right along with you guys. So that's what we are doing. Nothing has changed, nothing is different. We are still gonna unbox and unbag these goodies together. Okay, all right, let's get started. So this is what the little packaging looks like, and the little packaging is so super cute. It's like a little rose gold bubble wrap thing to protect what they are sending. So all right, I see some stuff I like already. All right, guys, so this is what the little box looks like. Oh, it's actually really cute and really sleek. Okay, so it says EmbeLashes in the very front, and they also did send this out, and this looks like it's an adhesive to apply our eyelashes. So I'm super excited. If you guys know me, you know that I freaking love me some eyelashes. They just complete my whole look. Without eyelashes, I just do not feel complete. Eyelashes and color, like those are my two. I have to have some color. And yes, so we are just gonna go ahead and jump right in. So it looks like it's eyelashes and glue adhesive. So yes, we're gonna go ahead and jump right in with EmbeLashes. All right, guys, so these are the two sets of eyelashes that they actually sent out. I know that there's a glare because I see it myself. There's a glare on here, so I'm gonna take off the wrapping really quick. And so meanwhile, while I take off the wrapping, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about EmbeLashes. So eyelashes is a monthly subscription. It's obviously an eyelash subscription. Let me clarify, it's an eyelash subscription. It's a month to month. And these eyelashes have a variety of different styles that you guys can choose from. They'll send them to you at random. I believe that's how it works. They send them to you randomly, but you can choose if you want 2, 4, or 6. They range from $15 to $25 to $35. So those are the price ranges. You can choose what subscription fits your best needs. So like if you're a beginner and you don't really go through eyelashes that often, you would probably want to go with the little subscription box, which is this one that has 2 pairs of eyelashes per month, and this one retails for $15. If you are somebody that's like kind of in the middle, then you would want to go with the subscription box that has 4 pairs of eyelashes, and that one retails for $25. But if you're a junkie, an eyelash junkie, and you use eyelashes day to day, like myself, you would probably want to go with the other one that's 6 pairs of eyelashes for $35. So that's what it is. EmbeLashes is actually the #1 subscription that there is out there for eyelashes. I'm pretty surprised because I actually have an eyelash subscription myself, but you are getting what you are paying for. You are always going to get what you are paying for. So if you go with something that's a little bit less expensive, you know the quality is not going to be as great as if you were to pay a higher price. So you're always going to get what you are paying for. I just started rambling and I forgot to take off the little paper on them. So let me go ahead and do that really quick and we can continue rambling. Okay, so now that I got the little paper wrap thing off of it, I can actually show you what the eyelash looks like now. So this one is actually the first pair that they sent out. The name of it is called Dreamy. And the case is like nice and sturdy, so you actually slide it to the side. All right, guys, so aside from the 2 pairs of eyelashes that they actually sent out, which are these 2, they also did send out the adhesive. So I'm gonna be trying these out. I will be applying it. I will be putting it on camera so you guys can see it for yourself. And then I'll share my final thoughts with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by taking off the eyelashes that I already do have on. By the way, this is like the most satisfying feeling ever. I almost lost my thought. It's the most satisfying feeling ever to take off your eyelashes. Okay, anyhow, we are gonna go in with this pair because these are like calling my name. I'm so excited to try these on. All right, so I don't think I need to trim them. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply them as is. So I am gonna be taking my little adhesive that they sent out. We're gonna see how good this adhesive is too, by the way. Never tried it out, so we are gonna see how good it is. We're gonna put it to test. Okay. we are gonna apply this to the lash band. Okay, here is what the second eyelash looks like. I'm gonna dry them down a little. Just a blow on it, just a tiny bit before application. Okay, I think the adhesive is now tacky. I am gonna attempt to apply this eyelash onto my eyelid. All right, so I'm gonna go upward. That's how I like to apply it, and I'm gonna put it as close as possible to my natural eyelash line. All right, here we go. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Wow. Oh my God. I actually am super impressed. Let me see if it passes my test. Yes, it passes the test. I love it when my eyelashes hit on top of my eyelid. I freaking love that. And it does, these do that for me. So I am totally loving it. And you see what I mean, you guys? Like, you can see my eyeshadow through the eyelash because they're like separated, but they have like a nice curl to them. And I need to hurry up before this one dries down. But oh my God, I got so excited all of a sudden. So loving it. Let's see this second one. Okay, let's begin to press it down. Oh my God, I freaking love. I actually like these a lot more than the other ones that I was wearing, than these other spiders that I have over here. Oh my God, these are so freaking cute. You guys, tell me what you guys think. Tell me that I'm not going crazy, but I'm totally feeling myself with these eyelashes. These are super nice. Now, of course, I would have to like coat my natural eyelashes to make them blend with these ones. But man, I think they are totally freaking worth it. I am loving it, you guys. I am loving it. Okay, I need to calm down and I need to try on the second pair of eyelashes. So these clearly passed the test for me. They hit right up top where I like it to, where it hits. It's nice and curled. They're nice and fluttery and they're like spaced out. Yes, 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 yes. Love. Okay, next we're gonna move along to the second pair. So let's take these off. Wonk, wonk, wonk. Let's take these off. These are so gorgeous. I am in love. I really like. Okay, we're gonna move along to this second pair now. So we are gonna go ahead and move on to the second pair, and this is like the more natural looking pair. These eyelashes look a little bit more sultry. They're nice and like flared out and wispy. They are so super cute. I cannot wait to try the second pair on, see what they are all about, how they look on the eye. So we're gonna actually let this sit and dry down, and we're gonna let it get tacky for just a moment. All right, so now that the eyelash is tacky, we're gonna go ahead and apply it on. So these are like the more natural, sultry looking ones. We're just gonna go ahead and apply. Oh my God. Oh my God, how freaking pretty. You guys, this is what it's looking like. We're gonna go ahead and apply the second eyelash. Okay guys, so this is what the second pair of eyelashes looks like, and I am so in love. It is nice and natural. You can still see the eye makeup through the eyelashes, like it doesn't cover the full eyelash. It's so freaking pretty. They feel so good. They also do pass my test. I like how it feels when it hits up on top of the lid, almost to my eyebrows. I love that feeling. They are nice and curled. They are so nice. The band is actually amazing. It's very flexible, so you can maneuver the band however you want to your eye shape. I actually really like that. They're very comfortable. They're very lightweight. Like, they feel so comfortable. I didn't even have to trim them or anything. I just applied them as is. Also, side note, the adhesive is actually pretty freaking good. It looks like the adhesive is staying right on place. Usually I have issues with eyelashes like on the inner corner or the outer corner where they'll start like being wonky. and so far so good. I didn't even press them. I just like applied it on nice and soft. Actually really impressed with the adhesive as well, guys. So let me know what your thoughts are. I'm like super impressed. I'm excited about this subscription. Like, this is new to me, so I highly recommend it to you guys. I hope that you guys consider looking into it. I highly recommend it. I think I'm gonna go through with this eyelash subscription as well. So make sure that you guys look out for some of my future videos with Embelashes. Go check them out. I will be leaving my personal link down below. I also do want to let you guys know I do get commission off of the link. If you guys do use my link, my referral link, I do make commission off of it. But I would like to let you know that these are my honest and true opinions. Like, as you guys can see, these are my first impressions and I'm pretty impressed. Like, I totally love them. So go check them out. Use my link down below, and if you do use my link down below, you will also be getting a free adhesive along with your order. And this is it for today. I hope that you guys like this video. Please make sure to give me some big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.